Chapter 7. 1. Solve the equations. 5 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 3. Equation 1. 15 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 4. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 2, we have 5 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 3 and 30 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 8. Subtracting minus 25 by x is equal to minus 5 minus plus, or x is equal to 25 by 5 is equal to 5. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we have 5 by 5 plus 6 by y is equal to 3, or 1 plus 6 by y is equal to 3, or 6 by y is equal to 3 minus 1 is equal to 2, or y is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 3. Answer. 2. Solve the equation 6 by x minus 7 by y is equal to 2. Equation 1. And 2 by x plus 14 by y is equal to 3. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 1, we have 12 by x minus 14 by y is equal to 4, and 2 by x plus 14 by y is equal to 3. Adding 14 by x is equal to 7, or x is equal to 14 by 7 is equal to 2. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we have 6 by 2 minus 7 by y is equal to 2, or 3 minus 7 by y is equal to 2, or minus 7 by y is equal to 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 1 minus plus, or y is equal to 7. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 7. Answer. 3. Solve the equations 12 by x minus 4 by y is equal to 2. Equation 1. 3 by x minus 2 by y is equal to 0. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 2, we have 12 by x minus 4 by y is equal to 2 and 6 by x minus 4 by y is equal to 0. Subtracting 6 by x is equal to 2, or x is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we have 12 by 3 minus 4 by y is equal to 2, or 4 minus 4 by y is equal to 2, or minus 4 by y is equal to 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 2, minus plus, or y is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. So x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. Answer. 4. Solve the equations 5 by x plus 16 by y is equal to 79. Equation 1. And 16 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 44. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 16, we have 5 by x plus 16 by y is equal to 79, and 256 by x minus 16 by y is equal to 704. Adding 261 by x is equal to 783, or 1 by x is equal to 783 by 261 is equal to 3, or x is equal to 1 by 3. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we have 5 by 1 by 3 plus 16 by y is equal to 79, or 5 into 3 plus 16 by y is equal to 79, or 15 plus 16 by y is equal to 79, or 16 by y is equal to 79 minus 15 is equal to 64, or 1 by y is equal to 64 by 16 is equal to 4, or y is equal to 1 by 4. So x is equal to 1 by 3 and y is equal to 1 by 4. Answer. 5. Solve the equations 21 by x plus 12 by y is equal to 5. Equation 1. 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to 1 by 42. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 21. 21 by x is plus 12 by y is equal to 5, and 21 by y minus 21 by x is equal to 1 by 2. Adding 33 by y is equal to 11 by 2, or y is equal to 33 into 2 by 11 is equal to 6. Putting the value of y in equation 1, we have 21 by x plus 12 by 6 is equal to 5, or 21 by x plus 2 is equal to 5, or 21 by x is equal to 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, or x is equal to 21 by 3 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 6. Answer 6. Solve the equations. 5 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 30. Equation 1. 9 by x minus 5 by y is equal to 2. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 3, we have 25 by x plus 15 by y is equal to 150, and 27 by x minus 15 by y is equal to 6. Adding 52 by x is equal to 156, or x is equal to 52 by 156 is equal to 1 by 3. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we have 5 by 1 by 3 plus 3 by y is equal to 30, or 5 into 3 by 1 plus 3 by y is equal to 30, or 15 plus 3 by y is equal to 30, or 3 by y is equal to 30 minus 15 is equal to 15, or y is equal to 3 by 15 is equal to 1 by 5. So x is equal to 1 by 3 and y is equal to 1 by 5. Answer 7. Solve the equations. 8 by x minus 9 by y is equal to 7. Equation 1. Bracket 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1, or 1 by x by 1 by y is equal to 1 by 6. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 9, we have 8 by x minus 9 by y is equal to 7, and 9 by x plus 9 by y is equal to 3 by 2. Adding 17 by x is equal to 17 by 2, or x is equal to 2. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we have 4 minus 9 by y is equal to 7, or minus 9 by y is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3, or y is equal to minus 9 by 3 is equal to minus 3. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 3. Answer 8. Solve the equations. 25 by x plus 24 by y is equal to 1. Equation 1. 20 bracket 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 7, or 2 by x plus 3 by y is equal to 7 by 20. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 8, we have 25 by x plus 24 by y is equal to 1, and 16 by x plus 24 by y is equal to 14 by 5. Subtracting 9 by x is equal to 5 minus 14 by 5 is equal to minus 9 by 5, or x is equal to 9 into 5 by minus 9 is equal to minus 5. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we have minus 5 plus 24 by y is equal to 1, or 24 by y is equal to 6, or y is equal to 24 by 6 is equal to 4. So x is equal to minus 5 and y is equal to 4. Answer 9. Solve the equation. 4 by x plus 27 by y is equal to 42. Equation 1. 14 by x minus 15 by y is equal to 1. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by 9, we have 20 by x plus 135 by y is equal to 210, and 126 by x minus 135 by y is equal to 9. Adding 146 by x is equal to 219, or x is equal to 146 by 219 is equal to 2 by 3. Putting the value of x in equation 1, we have 6 plus 27 by y is equal to 42, or 27 by y is equal to 42 minus 6 equal to 36, or y is equal to 27 by 36 is equal to 3 by 4. So x is equal to 2 by 3, y is equal to 3 by 4. Answer 10. Solve the equations. 3 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 8 by 15. Equation 1. 9y minus 22x is equal to 3xy by 125. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 1 by 3xy, we have 3 by x plus 5 by y is equal to 8 by 15, and 3 by x minus 22 by 3y is equal to 1 by 25. Subtracting 37 by 3y is equal to 37 by 75, or 3y is equal to 75, or y is equal to 75 by 3 is equal to 25. Putting the value of y in equation 1, we have 3 by x plus 1 by 5 is equal to 8 by 15, or 3 by x is equal to 8 by 15 minus 1 by 5, or 3x is equal to 5 by 15 is equal to 1 by 3, or x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 25. Answer. 11. Solve the equations 1 by 4x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2. Equation 1. 1 by y minus 1 by 2x is equal to 1. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 and equation 2 by 1 by 2, we have 1 by 4x plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2, and 1 by 2y minus 1 by 4x is equal to 1 by 2. Adding 1 by 2y plus 1 by 3y is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2, or 5 by 6y is equal to 5 by 2, or 6y is equal to 2, or y is equal to 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. Putting the value of y in equation 1, we have 1 by 4x plus 1 is equal to 2, or 1 by 4x is equal to 1, or 4x is equal to 1, or x is equal to 1 by 4. So x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 3. Answer. 12. Solve the equations 2y minus x is equal to 4xy. Equation 1. 4 by y minus 3 by x is equal to 9. Equation 2. Multiplying equation 1 by 4 by xy and equation 2 by 1, we have 8 by x minus 4 by y is equal to 16. 4 by y minus 3 by x is equal to 9. Adding 5 by x is equal to 25, or x is equal to 5 by 25 is equal to 1 by 5. Putting the value of x in equation 2, we have 4 by y minus 15 is equal to 9, or 4 by y is equal to 9 plus 15 is equal to 24, or y is equal to 4 by 24 is equal to 1 by 6. So x is equal to 1 by 5 and y is equal to 1 by 6. Answer. 13. Solve the equations 1 by x minus 2 by y plus 4 is equal to 0. Equation 1. And 1 by y minus 1 by z plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation 2. And 2 by z plus 3 by x is equal to 14. Equation 3. From equation 1, we have 1 by x 2 by y is equal to minus 4. Equation 4. From equation 2, we have 1 by y minus 1 by z is equal to minus 1. Equation 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 1 and equation 5 by 2, we have 1 by x minus 2 by y is equal to minus 4, and 2 by y minus 2 by z is equal to minus 2. Adding 1 by x minus 2 by z is equal to minus 6. 2 by z plus 3 by x is equal to 14. From equation 3, adding 4 by x is equal to 8, or x is equal to 4 by 8 is equal to 1 by 2. Putting the value of x in equation 3, we have 2 by z plus 6 is equal to 14, or 2 by z is equal to 14 minus 6 is equal to 8, or z is equal to 2 by 8 is equal to 1 by 4. Putting the value of z in equation 5, we have 1 by y minus 4 is equal to minus 1, or 1 by y is equal to 3, or y is equal to 1 by 3. So x is equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 3, and z is equal to 1 by 4. Answer. 14. Solve equations 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z is equal to 36. Equation 1. 1 by x plus 3 by y minus 1 by z is equal to 28. Equation 2. 1 by x plus 1 by 3y plus 1 by 2z is equal to 20. Equation 3. Adding equation 1 and equation 2, we have 1 by x plus 2 by y is equal to 32. Equation 4. Subtracting equation 3 from equation 2, we have 8 by 3y minus 3 by 2z is equal to 8. Equation 5. Multiplying equation 3 by 3 and equation 5 by 1, we have 3 by x plus 3 by 3y plus 3 by 2z is equal to 60, and 8 by 3y minus 3 by 2z is equal to 8. Adding 3 by x plus 11 by 3y is equal to 68. Equation 6. Multiplying equation 4 by 3 and equation 6 by 1, we have 3 by x plus 6 by y is equal to 96, and 3 by x plus 11 by 3y is equal to 68. Subtracting 7 by 3y is equal to 28, or y is equal to 7 by 3 into 28 is equal to 1 by 12. Putting the value of y in equation 4, we have 1 by x plus 24 is equal to 32, or 1 by x is equal to 8, or x is equal to 1 by 8. Again, putting the value of x and y in equation 1, we have 8 plus 12 plus 1 by z is equal to 36, or 20 plus 1 by z is equal to 36, or 1 by z is equal to 36 minus 20 is equal to 16, or z is equal to 1 by 16. So x is equal to 1 by 8, y is equal to 1 by 12, and z is equal to 1 by 16. Answer. 15. Solve the equations. 9 by x minus 2 by y is equal to 5 by z minus 3 by x is equal to 7 by y plus 15 by 2z is equal to 4. Equation 1. From equation 1, we have 9 by x minus 2 by y is equal to 4. Equation 2. 5 by z minus 3 by x is equal to 4. Equation 3. 7 by y plus 15 by 2z is equal to 4. Equation 4. Multiplying equation 2 by 1 and equation 3 by 3, we have 9 by x minus 2 by y is equal to 4. 15 by z minus 9 by x is equal to 12. Adding 15 by z minus 2 by y is equal to 16. Equation 5. Multiplying equation 4 by 1 and equation 5 by 1 by 2, we have 7 by y plus 15 by 2z is equal to 4, and 15 by 2z minus 1 by y is equal to 8 by subtracting 8 by y is equal to minus 4, or y is equal to 8 by minus 4 is equal to minus 2. Putting the value of y in equation 2, we have 9 by x plus 1 is equal to 4, or 9 by x is equal to 3, or x is equal to 9 by 3 is equal to 3. Putting the value of x in equation 3, we have 5 by z minus 1 is equal to 4, or 5 by z is equal to 5, or 5 is equal to 5 by 5 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, and z is equal to 1. Answer.